nonsense? No, what is this? What should I call this nonsense? What should I call this? What is this? Have you lost it?
You are the one who has lost it. You lost it the very minute you decided to poke nose into my affairs.
You're mad. You've gone bonkers. What insolence. It's the gods for me. How dare you speak to me in that tone?
Adrian. You know, I told you something the last time. I told you that the next time you cross my line, that you will not live to tell the story, didn't I?
I don't have time for this nonsense.
One more move. One more step, Adrian, and you are dead.
You dare point a gun at me? You actually pointed a gun at me? Or you're pointing a gun at me? Let me tell you something, right? I am a woman wired of metal. This can't work on me.
You lie, Adrian, for you are going down today.
The battle line has just been drawn.
A woman wired of metal indeed.
You are indeed funny. Wow.
Yeah. I really appreciate your coming, my darling.
Of course, no problem.
Yes, thank you.
You know, I'm wondering, where is the SUV you came with the other time? I mean, the Range Rover.
Oh, that.
Yeah, that.
I let it go. Yeah. There's something about it that didn't sit right with me. I noticed that the accelerating system wasn't up to the speed that I wanted, so I asked them to take it back. I need something much more modern and something that can accelerate up to the speed that I want.
It was an accelerator.
Oh, no.
So where are you accelerating to?
Adrian, it baffles me that someone like you would ask me such stupendous question. Listen, girl, you are standing right before the Chief Executive Officer of Builders International. One of the best, as a matter of fact, the best entrepreneurship firm in this part of the world.
Oh, that's huge. Oh, you meant the Chief Executive Officer of the Fake Life. Oh.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I mean. You and I know that you rented that SUV. You know, what hurts me is that you spend so much effort and time duping people of the hard-earned money only to get material things that you actually do not need. And what hurts me the most is that these people that you dupe, they cry every day. And my question is, why? Lady V, why?
My darling, let me ask you. Why do you know so much about me if you are not fake yourself?
My darling friend, you and I know that I run a genuine business and I'm doing really well. So I would really advise my dear friend to get something doing for herself and earn genuine money and leave people's money alone. How hard is that?
Adrian, you will not stand here and tell me what is appropriate and what is not appropriate. It is my life, my decisions, and none of your fucking freaking business.
You're just too lazy to work, darling. Get a genuine business.
Okay, I see. You see, creating ample time out of my very busy and tight schedule has suddenly made you see me as though I am jobless and lazy. I don't blame you. You have overstayed your welcome. It's time to leave.
I was actually on my way out. Oh, need I remind you that the financial crime department is still very much in service? I'd advise you to retrace your steps to avoid, being caught.
You are talking nonsense. Get out.
I'm leaving.
Who does that? Who walks into my premises and stands before me to spew such trash, telling me what is appropriate and what is not? Adrian.
She's living a fake life. She don't even care cause she's so dangerous. This lady's so mean, a deadly scammer, and she don't even care she's dangerous.
This wine is not for you. It is for my special guest.
Listen, V. I'm not here to listen to all this your tantrums. Do you understand? Did you understand? I was just waiting for you to get done with your friend so that I can make my request.
What nonsense request? What useless request is that?
My request is not nonsense. You understand? My request is not nonsense. And this is something you must do. It is something you must do. Listen, I need some money. I need to go out with my friends.
Your mates are busy securing their future. And all you do is sit here and squander my money. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Chero, let me understand. Is it me that you are insulting and speaking all this nonsense English for? Just because I ask you to give me little money. Just silly money of 100,000 naira. Is that why you're insulting me like this? Come on, what is 100,000? I could have placed an order of 500,000. Just small 100,000 naira.
Even 100 naira. So, what am I even saying? 10 kobo. Obele, 10 kobo you will not see from me. Is it not your mates that are giving the Interpol sleepless night due to their internet activities? Your mates are making money on the internet and you're looking for somebody that you collect 100,000 for. Mba, come and take 200 million. Onam.
See, V, you should just be thankful. See, you should just be happy that I am not into Yahoo. It is for your own good. I'm telling you. Because if I must join Yahoo, I would have joined Yahoo Plus, where I know that they will place a demand of sacrifice, that is a woman sacrifice. And you, my sister that I love so much, my sister that know the tree of money, you will just be the best sacrifice to offer.
You are mad.
Obele, you are mad. It is you that they will use for sacrifice.
See, you are afraid now, Abi. I just talked about sacrifice. Using you as a sacrifice. You are fidgeting, you are shaking. You are afraid, Abi. You see it? Forget all this nonsense, my dear. Let's not talk about all this. You are my sister. Give me this money, so that people will not come begin to think that this is what they talk now. But I give me this money, you have it. Give me this money.
No, my brother, you don't even know what you should be requesting for. Let me tell you. You should be asking me to make you signatory to my account. Eh? You know, I've never seen a useless brother like you all my life. So I should make you signatory to my account. I will even make you my next of kin. You know why? So that anytime you need money, any amount of money, you just withdraw as you like.
That is the best thing.
I will make you signatory to my account.
No, if you make me signatory to your account, will you die?
Mba. At least you'll be able to withdraw money anytime, any day, seconds, hours, minutes that you like.
Stop all this thing. Give me this money.
Come on, get out.
You are pushing me, okay? Oh, you know.
Hi, Obele. You alright, bro?
Idiot! No. You see one thing that annoys me with you boys of nowadays. You people do not have respect. No, am I the one that you are saying, hey, Obele, hi bro? Or hi bro? Mo?
Come on, bro. You need to stop this. Is your name no longer Obele?
In your life, don't you ever call me Obele again. Listen, Obele is what they call me in my family. A he-goat, an idiot like you, has no right to call me Obele. Bah! Listen, my name to you is Mr. Mississippi. And don't you ever try to ask me the meaning. You can argue that with your ancestors.
But Mr. Obele, oh, sorry, I apologize. Mr. Mississippi, do we have a problem? Why are you being hostile all of a sudden?
Thank your stars. Thank your stars that you corrected yourself. I could have, I could have washed you like negative photo. That's it. You might go all those what I take about. Then the negative will fly, and then you look to begin to see the real picture. That's what I could have done to you right now. Idiot.
Is my babe home?
Your babe home. Go and see who you have come to see. No problem. To you, she is your babe. But to her, she is your sugar mommy. Go in and do what you have to do best. Your hobby. But I'm counting for you. One day, on a very good day, you will pay.
Thank you. Babe.
Oh, baby.
Hey.
You are here.
Hi, baby. How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Missed me?
Of course I missed you.
I missed you too. How have you been?
I've been alright.
You okay? Yeah. What's up with your brother? I saw him on my way in. He was so rude.
Oh, we had a fight. I guess that's why he's being unmannered with you.
Just ignore him.
Oh, of course, it's nothing. I'm just wondering what his frustrations are.
Baby, can you just forget about him and his frustrations?
All right.
You're here now, that's all that matters.
Okay, cool. You miss me?
You so Let's go to the bedroom. The bedroom it is, baby. The bedroom it is.
Adrian.
Oh my goodness, nobody told me I was going to go through the embarrassment of seeing your face this morning.
Adrian, how else do you want me to explain it to you so you can understand that I mean no harm?
That is a common anthem from the sons of Adam. So what do I owe this intrusion from you?
You see, I've been trying to have a decent conversation with you, but you've been making that effort useless.
I wish I could actually speak another language, maybe patois, for you to actually understand that there can never be an us. I mean, what is wrong with you? Why can't you leave me the hell alone? Real men, real-minded men, businessmen, are up and doing their businesses. What are you here doing? Chasing a woman on a Monday morning. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Adrian, God has blessed me.
Oh my goodness.
I have people working for my business, and to the glory of God, it's going quite well.
Whatever, good for you. I have a business to run.
Adrian,
Can
Adrian.
you just get out?
Just wanna be alone. No relationships, it's stressing me out. Hey, just wanna stay on my own. I need no love, no more. I just want to live and have my peace. It seems like this love of a thing is not for me. Yeah, just want to stay on my land, no. Bother nobody and nobody bother me. I want no love.
Look at you, girl. The boss lady herself.
I thought you said you don't touch cash anymore.
Oh, no, not at all. It's just one useless tailor someone recommended to make a burial outfit for me. You know? She said all payments must be done in cash. Who does that? Who does that? I mean...
I was scammed though. Yes, so by one agency called Bella's Agency. My dear, the thing that lasts for 6 months, more than 6 months now. What am I talking about? And up till now, whenever I call his number, it's not going through. But if I use someone else's number, it goes through. Yeah, it's scam now. And there is not even. Okay, yes. Alright. Just one. Hello? Yes, my dear. I don't want to waste my time.
She don't even care cause she's so dangerous. This lady's so mean, a deadly scammer. And she don't even care, she's dangerous. So dangerous. Like a wolf in the sheep clothing. She's a dangerous scammer. And she don't even want to change. The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. Oh, she's a dangerous scammer and she don't wanna change. Oh, people getting duped every day. Large number of people lose their money every day. And she's getting rich every day. Why the scam victims keep on crying? She can do anything for the money. Even shoot somebody down for the money. This lady is-
Hi, bro.
How are you, bro?
Hi, bro. What do you mean, hi, bro? Oh, you are here. Drinking cornflakes and milk to recover from the one you wasted on my sister. Okay? Wait, oh. You actually slept over. Ha! God. Is you alive? A man who is a man will just come to a woman's house and spend the night. Bia, Collins, Organic Aborogi, let me ask you, assuming you will die here, what do you think will be the news?
Are you praying for me to die, bro?
Thunder fire, you idiot! You are a fool to think that I will be praying for a beast like you, who is feeding fat on my sister. Yeah? How in this world do you think that I will be praying for an idiot who is eating now to my sister, eating my sister right under my nose? You think I'm too much? Okay, if you eat that nonsense again, yeah, so there you vomit it, idiot. That is. Okay, if you try it, make alone. If you try it, listen, let me tell you. You see this one that I'm planning to make this morning. If I find, hey, I'm talking to you. Listen to me. Email, if you done this thing again, walk around. Don't provoke me. I am very angry right now. Listen, if you see this one that I'm planning to make, if I finally make this money, all the women in Opasuno are in trouble.
How do you mean, bro?
I mean to tell you that whatever, all this nonsense that you've done to my sister, I will revenge. I will. You think I will forget about it just like that? You think? I would. You see all those women, all those girls, peanut girls, especially those in your family. I would deal with them. After eating them deep, I will go and drink coca oat just like you're doing now. I will drink coca oat, I will drink more milk, and I will go. Don't try it again. Don't drink this nonsense. If you try it, I will kill you here. And then whatever the news will be, I will stand it. Idiot! I'm telling you, you're busy drinking to go and come. Thank God I'm here. No more. It is not going to happen again. I'm here. Idiot!
I hope you didn't halt me here for another sermon.
Another sermon? You don't need one. Sweetheart, you heard it yourself. You heard one of your victims how pained she is, and that is how every other of your victims are. Sweetheart, you have rendered a lot of lives useless through your fraudulent actions. I mean, you're so lucky that you're running a faceless agency. More like a faceless blogger. If not, people could have chased you out like wolves.
Well, no one is chasing me now. Except you, who don't know how to mind your business. Is that too hard to ask for?
It is actually very hard. Sweetheart, you're my friend. And someone has to tell you the truth. That is exactly what I am doing. You know, you have hurt so many people. Why can't you just stop? Why? Or better still, you want me to congratulate you or probably give you an award, a golden plaque, right?
Oh, jealousy. Is that you speaking?
Jealousy? Of course, I can never be jealous of you, sweetie. I am more than that. Like I said earlier, you're my friend. And someone has to tell you the truth. And that is exactly what I am doing. If you do not retrace your steps, I will not fail to be among those who will beat the drum of your destruction.
Oh, my darling, if you have the mind to blow the whistle on me, then bring it on.
Ain't living a fake life. She don't even care, cause she's so dangerous. This lady's so mean, and that least karma. And she don't even care, she's dangerous. So dangerous. Like a wolf in the sheep clothing. She's a dangerous karma, and she don't even want to change. The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. Oh, hey, she's a dangerous karma, and she don't wanna change.
Bell's Agency, how may we be of service to you, please?
Oh, that is exactly what my company specializes in doing. Yes, all you need to do is not to worry at all. Follow the instructions on the flyers, make your payment, and then send a proof of payment to the number that you see on the flyer and some supporting document that we will request of you, and we can begin your application.
How long is it going to take?
Usually it takes about 2 weeks, but then again, it shouldn't exceed a month. You know the country we live in, things can get a bit messy here and there, but we promise that in a month time, everything's going to be sorted. Thank you very much. One more thing. Here at Bell's Agency, your satisfaction. Thank you for calling. Have a lovely day. Yes. Yes. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Bro, I can tell the entire situation has drained you completely.
Yes, it has. And the craziest part is, she don't even give me a listening ear. At all.
It's not her fault. You see, going through a divorce with the wrong partner is very traumatizing. It's okay, I believe she would come around.
I know. But I just have this strong feeling that we're meant to be. So I'm willing to be patient and just wait for her, to finally someday look my way.
Lincoln, I totally understand how you feel. And trust me, she's going to come around. She will. I've seen her a couple of times with my woman, and honestly, I don't know how close they are. I don't know the level of their friendship. But one thing I'm certain about is they're not always on the same page.
Yeah, I understand. They're both two high horses, full of energy, and always demanding respect.
Like, no nonsense.
If you call it.
It's alright. It's okay.
How's the site going? Is the traffic reducing?
Yes, ma'am. The rate of interaction has fallen drastically from 100% to 45%.
That's still manageable. I want you to shut down the site.
But that would be suspicious, considering the amount of people who have registered on the platform already.
And did I say it was not going to be traceable? Make it look like the site is going through some upgrade or something. And then you can send out messages to all the registered participants that the site is going through upgrade and will be restored soon. That way, they keep waiting and waiting until they join their ancestors.
I understand you better now. I'll do something about it.
Good.
I'll get back to you when I'm done.
ASAP.
All right.
Oh, Lady V to the world! Sweet Lady V. Perfect Lady V. Hi, Lady V.
My sweet Amanda, you look astonishing in borrowed robes. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Lady V, one thing I like about you is that you're always too forward. Well, I was around the neighborhood and I thought it wise to myself to come say hi. Although, coming to that conclusion, I was worried. Will I meet her at home? You know, she's always very busy. I was praying I'd meet you at home. And I'm lucky I did. But you don't take calls these days. Why?
I'm a very busy woman.
I know, right? I know.
So what is it you want this time?
Say that again.
What is it you want this time?
Lady V, you're too forward. You're sounding as if it's only when I need a thing that I come around your house. No.
That is typical of you.
Well, you're my friend and you know me very well. The truth is, I know you always have my back. Lady V, there is this party that I want to attend. And I have the mental picture of how I want to look displaying in my head. And I can only achieve that based on your support. So that's why I came here today. I remember the last time when you came back from your trip. Maybe you're too busy to hand me the stuff that you got.
Amanda.
Lady V.
You never cease to amuse me. Did I tell you that I got anything for you? Besides, if I did, I could have given it to you a long time ago, don't you think?
Well, I know, but...
Anyways, even though I'm not a fan of giving out my clothes to people like you, because I'm due for a wardrobe change, I think I can give you a few.
Lady V, to the world! See, I love you so much and I get to sing of your praises because I know that Lady V can never disappoint me. Look, when I get there, I want to look perfect. I want people to be moping at me. Who's this girl? Lady V, thank you so much. You are the best. You're sweet. Lady V, I love you. L to the V to the world.
What's my name again?
Lady V to the world. Who they check her?
Bring down your voice.
I'm going away. You're good. I love you so much. You're sweet.
You might be successful, but I still maintain that you earn little respect from people.
It's because I refuse to get into another abusive marriage like my previous. What is wrong with people? I do not live my life for people. Auntie, I live my life to suit my whims and caprices. I mean, it's high time people started allowing people to live their lives.
My dear, the society cannot change because of you. It's not possible. And as an African woman, you need to live your life with caution.
Auntie, I am tired. I'm tired of all this, your sermon. Honestly.
You know where this is headed, right? Listen. Every man is not like your ex-husband. Look around you. Choose among all these numerous men flocking around you. It's simple.
Okay, I see where this is going. I hope Lincoln or whatever his name is called did not put you through this.
I don't see anything wrong in that young man. Just give him a chance and no peace.
Peace? Auntie Beatrice, if you're required to define what constitutes peace in quotes in a marriage, I am wondering what you will say.
I know there is no definition I'll give to you now that will make any sense to you because you're already biased.
Auntie, I am not biased. I'm just being real.
Same here. I'm equally being real. Listen, you need to settle down. You need to ponder on the things I've said to you.
Hello guys, yo, what's up? It's your favorite girl, AMANDA Vibes. Yes, Lisa, I can see you're tapping the like buttons already. Thank you so much. So guys, today I'm on a very high frequency. You know why? That's because I'm over at my bestie's house. When I'm talking about my bestie, I'm talking about no other person but the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer, Creative Builders Up. Hey, guys, I'm sure that name rings a bell, right? Guys, today I'm on a very high frequency, like I said. That's because my friend got me lots of stuffs. See, you guys, don't be Lisa, just hold on. Blessing, hold on. I'm going to display the goods for you all to see. Hey! When I'm talking about stuffs, when I'm talking about gifts, I'm talking about nothing less of luxuries, guys. Hey! Okay, hold on. Now let me show you the stuffs I got for my friend. My body's sweeting me. Okay, so real Zamani, Agbalaze, yo, I see my people. Okay, so guys, chill because I want to show you all the stuffs. All the stuffs that my friend got for me for my last trip from Paris, guys. Oh, see the dress. Can you see the beautiful green dress? Can you guys see it? Hold on. Let me help you with this. See the dress? Beautiful. When I'm talking about luxury, I'm talking about expensive one. Designers. See this one. Hey, by the time I wear this one, you're gonna hear what? Do you know that? Hey, okay guys, hold on. I know that Lisa, you're always in a hurry to say stuff. Now, take a good look at my jewelry box. Can your friend ever? Can your friend gift you all of this? Wait now. I'm coming on. I'm not done. Take a look at my bag. Hey! Designers. This is Fendi, you guys. Fendi, you guys. Okay, please. I am so grateful and I don't know how to say thank you to my friend. I would want all of you to say thank you to the Chief Executive Officer, Creative Builders. Oh, please say thank you. Just say hi to my friends, please. You get somebody saying they love you, like you look beautiful.
Thank you.
It's the lashes for me. Okay, thank you so much. I love you. Say something nice to them, please.
Thank you, guys.
You see, guys, when somebody is soft, she does not necessarily have to shout to talk. Her lashes speaks volume, her voice, her nails, guys. Okay, see, as you see for yourself, my friend is really busy and tired, so I want to make sure that I help her with one or two stuffs. I will be back, okay? Guys, please don't miss me too much. I love you too. Lizzie, I love you too, okay? See you guys later. Whew.
Is this all you do?
Of course. You will see the way my followers will triple. Hey! Lady V, they will be following me as if I did one charm. That is because they know that I know you. In this life, I noticed that for you to be relevant in this country, first off, it's all about yourself. The people you connect with, what you wear, how you wear them, the places you go to, the money you have and how you spend them, the places you stay to snap. People just want to see beautiful environment. Nobody cares on how you make the money. They just want to see you looking flashy. Right?
Amanda.
Lady V.
Slow down a bit. You are too fake.
Am I fake? Well, Lady V, the truth is, I know you always have my back, so when there's trouble, you will always rescue me.
You better not think about that, because when you eventually land yourself in trouble, I will not be there to save your sorry ass.
I know you're joking, right? You're joking. Lady V to the world!
Auntie, please. Can you not come to my house and start behaving like all those village aunties?
I don't blame you. So I'm not behaving like village auntie. Let me go to my house. You call me. You call me to come out.
I'm just
John. Really calling me village auntie.
Hi, dear.
You.
Ooh, Auntie, you're here.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Wow, look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. I was already on my way out before you came in. Your friend here is already tagging me village auntie with plenty one. So let me go to my house.
I was only teasing that auntie.
Auntie, calm down. Calm down. Like I said, they're looking so beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you. Don't praise me too much so that I won't start doing. You know how you do shakara.
Auntie, come and go. Come and
do
go. Come and go. Come and go.
I'll call you.
Okay.
I'll call you.
Thank you.
Take
Bye,
care.
ma. Bye.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Make sure you call me.
I'll
And
call you.
don't.
I'll call you. I'll call you.
Yeah, right. I can imagine. I'm sorry. I came a little bit late.
This is a little bit late. Come. Why are you always late in everything? What is wrong?
I said I'm sorry. Blame it on the traffic, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Okay, so can we go see the property now?
I have to make a few calls. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Girl, you need to see this new place. It's in a new layout.
You don't say. Anyways, I trust your judgment, okay? I know you have high taste for class.
I like to help, especially when it's a genuine hustle, right? Unlike some people, other people.
I know you're talking about our madame, the CEO of Builders Hub, right?
Who else?
So tell me, have you succeeded in sanitizing her with your talks?
She wouldn't listen. In fact, she's not ready. She doesn't see anything wrong in what she does.
You know, if you ask me, I would just say you let her be. Yes. Just the way we found out, other people will still find out that she has been living a lie.
You know, you have a point there. Well, I kind of feel like there's something I can do. You know, like taming her a little bit.
I think you're right. I mean, she's been defrauding people of their hard-earned money.
My point exactly.
Some of these people actually sold their family lands just to register in this scam. And what did she do? She scammed them of their hard-earned money without giving them any visa. That's not nice.
The other day at the ATM center, a lady was making a call and it was about her.
Honestly, my darling, I don't think you should be seen in a public place with that lady.
Girl, I know how to handle our friendship. I can never be seen on an outing with her.
But you told me you guys went to the ATM center the other day.
Not exactly. I kind of met her there. Yeah, I see. Let me get my bag and my other phone. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey, my friend just called me that all my game, he sent the remaining one game. Hey, 20 million naira. 5,000 to win 20 million. By the time I buy my house, I can't even wait to leave this nonsense in your house. By the time I buy my own house, I'm out for this year. Oh, Premier League. 2-0-3. Baba, what the oh yeah, so. Kiki. Hey, Jesse, Mayum, Papa. What is this? Jesus, what is this? Hey, this is not playing here. What nonsense is this now? How can somebody have wonderful television here and you cannot subscribe to soccer? But I tell you, La Liga, probably. What do you call? What okay, the Premier League, La Liga, oh, this. Let me use my hand. Hey, what nonsense is this now? How can you not subscribe to La Liga? You cannot subscribe to Premier League. Somebody will have a wonderful television with them and you have no money to subscribe for soccer. What nonsense now? It's just the money that it will be showing. If I put, okay, let me just destroy my curiosity now. Now, one, okay,
Listen, I kept that money there because I needed to pay the cleaner with it.
What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? How can you have a wonderful television like this and you cannot subscribe to Soccer? Or Telemundo? Come. Don't try it this time. Don't. Am I table? Why don't you go and ask the table who took the money on it? When I say, respect yourself, I'm talking about the pen, and I will tell you now to go outside to watch this match. My friend told me that it's just remaining one match. And if I should put Z-Water on that one, that's rubbish. Okay, let me put Z-Water.
What did I ever do to punish me with a brother like you? Other people are having supportive brothers who can at least help lift a burden, and you decided to reward me with this. Am I not talking to you?
What's that? What is it now? What have I done to you? What do you need to this sleep? Do you know how much this is worth? Do you know how much this is? My game is ready one get. Just one get to cash out 20 million naira. What is this now? Are you the devil that was sent into my life to destroy me? Don't fire an idiot.
A big fool. The next time my money will go missing in this house, I will make sure that you get arrested.
Don't fire you! Don't fire a person! What can you do? What can you do? Jesus. What have I done to a person? What have I done to this idiot? God! What unforgivable sin did I commit and go with package and apple soup as a sister for me? I need to 30 million naira. Don't I will fire you. No, we will be there.
My darling.
Yes, baby.
Hope you are ready for me today.
Is that supposed to be a question? Of course I'm ready for you. And I have missed you so much, babe. I can't wait to have you in my arms.
Really?
You know what that means? You're finished.
Darling, look. I have rescheduled my activities.
Okay.
You have me all to yourself. Do whatever you want to do with me. I am all yours.
I love the sound of that, baby.
Really?
Mm-hmm. But wait, first off.
What is it?
Baby, all of the stuff that you promised to get for me from your last trip, you're not giving them to me now.
Darling, you don't need to worry yourself. All those stuff are in the boat.
Are you for real?
Inside this boat, they are there.
Wow, that's so sweet.
Yes, baby.
I can't wait to use you.
Oh, you're going to use me. Go ahead and use me the way you want.
I know you like it too.
I love it. I love it that way. You know what? I have a surprise for you.
Another surprise?
Yes. I am taking you out for additional shopping today.
You see why I love you, Lopez. You just know how to spoil me.
I will keep on spending on you.
Thank
Let
you.
me concentrate and drive. See here? We are already in the street. You are going to kill me. Oh, kill me.
You just stay focused, okay?
Take it easy on me, please. Take it easy on me.
I love you. I hope you love me.
Oh, I love you, my darling. We'll be there together. Oh, my.
We're gonna get together.
What I am asking you is not so hard. I mean, you are the technical person. You are the one who created this website and you can take it down.
Lady V is not someone to joke with. That site is newly created. And you don't expect me to work for you and also work for her.
Lady V is a very selfish human being. You do the bulk of work and she pays you a peanut. I am going to double the amount she offers you. I would double it, in fact I would triple it. Please do the right thing.
You don't understand. This thing is hard. If she eventually finds out that I'm the one behind this, that lady will waste me.
And that is why there is common sense. Make use of it. Do the right thing. When you think about it, give me a call.
All right.
Okay.
Joe! How dare you? Are you mad? How dare you report me to your aunt? You think I care about her? Or you think I'm afraid of her? Begin to talk to me now and stop pretending.